Thank you, human. May I have another? Hello, human. This is an accurate simulation of gourmet chef.
Hey, Chef! There's a bot here to film an episode of some TV show with you? Well, they say it was already booked ahead of time, so... Well, just do whatever they say.
Hey, human! I'm TV Bot. We're doing a show on how these organic nutrient packs are made, so I just need to record some footage of you going through the various steps, okay? First step is to blend up this protein pill. Let's get a shot of you doing that. Hey, okay! Great, that was good. Now let's get a shot of you putting this flavor packet in the microwave. All right, it's in there. Close the door and let me get a shot of the microwave running. All right, everybody's following along at home. We got our fully expanded flavor cube. Can you just show that to the camera? Beautiful! Now just pour that blended protein fluid onto the cube and we are done! Hey, great job, human. Really appreciate it. Oh, one more thing. Can I get a shot of you eating it? Just act like it's real delicious, all right? Hey, thank you so much, human. This is some great footage. This episode's gonna be fantastic.
Hey, human, check this out. I found this rare Turbo Ghost Death Nova pepper. Can you prepare it for me? I like it H-O-T. How? Come on, put some heat into it. Come on, that's not hot enough. Can't you do something else? Yeah, I guess that'll have to do. Get it here.
Hey, chef, we got 3 bots out here who ordered the special. Not sure what that means, but that's what they want.
Ordering the special means placing your trust in the chef. Just give those bots anything. Be creative. That looks interesting. Send it off to the customer.
What a fascinating dish!
Another beautiful looking meal, chef.
This meal looks truly special.
And that'll do for the last one.
Is this some kind of avant-garde meal?
They wanted something special, and they certainly got it. Nice cooking, human.
Holy smokes, this is way too hot!
Oh, sounds like the guy with the hot pepper from earlier.
Hey, chef, help a bot out here. Come on! Woo! Thanks, human. You really saved my circuits.
I just got word from the TV studio, human. They liked your performance on that commercial you did, so they're sending in a camera crew, and they're gonna put you in a reality show.
In the distant past, having your own reality show was seen as the peak of human achievement. Good work, human.
Okay, bots, let's get those cameras set up already.
Ready to go, boss.
You ready, human? Okay, bring in the talent.
Nice to meet you, human. I'm Chef Bot Ramshead. Let's get this ball rolling, shall we?
Okay, we'll start with the meatball scene. And action.
What are you waiting for, human? Get cooking! These meatballs aren't going to prepare themselves. Oh, those look so bad. My neural network associates them with literal garbage. So are you going to serve them or just let them sit there and get even more disgusting? Truly despicable. My kids could cook a meal 100 times better than that, and they're graphing calculators.
Cut! That was good.
Well, great so far, human. I know I could be a little loud on camera, but it's all just part of the show, you know?
Alright, scene 2. That's the free-form cooking part. And action.
You worthless, chemical-based meatbag. Get to cooking. Make something good. Show us what you can do, if anything. Quite mature, chef. Yeah. That's just lovely. Lovely. I love it. Now get back to work. What are you doing? You should be ashamed. The microwave? What is this, baby human's first dinner? You about finished yet? Hurry up, serve it! That's what you call a meal.
Cut! That's a wrap, folks.
Great performance, human. I've got a lot of respect for you after this. Hope to work together again sometime. Farewell.
Well, you know how to get back to the museum if you want to. I'll just be hanging out here while you do whatever you want.